Yeah, so I want to unbox this pin tool, Depinning toolkit. I really like this company. They do really good quality. Hadeshili. So this is a terminal removal tool. So toolkits, and let's go here. There's tons of them. Take the plastic out there. We open this to review. Look at that. We've got all of them. There's a lot of different tools over here. They have some instructions, assembly instructions. There you go. Common harnesses, these assembly instructions. And you have all, nice amount of information there. And they have some colors there. And yeah, there's every sort of terminal you can think of. This thing can take it out. Every kind of terminal that you can think of. So, and I like how it's nice and organized, and they're really easy to keep it in here and stuff. So let's see, let's take one out here. Yeah. And yeah, so it's really, really good. There's a bunch. I mean, they're super easy to take it out as well. See? Like this one, for example, put it back in, super easy, just push it in there, and now it's ready for another go. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I certainly enjoyed making it for you guys, and take care, guys, and it stays like nice and organized. Yeah, and like I said, really like this company. I highly recommend it. I use this all the time. I just had an RV in which I had to replace the mirror and I had to take out the pin, and this guy was a lifesaver. So take care, guys. Bye.